Chief Warrant Officer 4, James R Oden. This award will be accepted by Mr. Chuck Adkins. United States Army Rogers. Drafted into service during World War II, he served in Japan with the U.S. Occupation Forces. He served with the U.S. Army 25th Infantry Division during the Korean conflict. He also served 2 combat tours in Vietnam as a heavy lift helicopter pilot. Through 3 military conflicts, he earned many awards, including the Distinguished Flying Cross, 3 Bronze Stars, 20 Air Medals, 1 with Valor, and in 1968 he retired after completing over 27 years of military service. He was one of the first pilots qualified to fly the complex CH-54 Sky Crane and was trained at the Sikorsky factory as an instructor in 1964. In 1968, Chief Oden was selected by the Army for the highly classified test mission to drop 10,000 pounds of high explosive bombs from the Sky Crane into the jungles of Vietnam to create instant landing zones for helicopter combat assaults. After the mission was declassified and photos of the test were publicized, Chief Oden was known throughout the Army aviation as the Sky Crane bomber pilot and was declared a war criminal by Hanoi Hannah, a radio propaganda personality in North Vietnam. In 1969, he was assigned to the 291st Heavy Helicopter Company at Fort Sill, completing the following duties: dropping a space capsule from 13,000 feet to test parachute rigging. He took a 1/10 scale model of the shuttle to 14,000 feet to test guidance systems, developing firefighting techniques and using a 1,000-gallon water bucket. Developed during a procedure to dissipate fog by spraying it with a mixture of ammonia and urea to open landing zones at airports. And in 1972, as piloting command, he took a CH-54 crew to Panama to attempt to displace fog in the canal. Okay.